Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and I welcome you to my IELTS video. Sometimes in order to improve your bench score, you have to appear in IELTS test again. On the other hand, sometimes in order to improve your IELTS test result, you don't have to appear in IELTS test again. You can avail one option which is called EOR. One of my students from Pakistan, he appeared in his IELTS test and as a result, he was actually given low band in one of the modules according to him, and that was writing. His writing bench score was 6 and he was unhappy with that. So he decided to go for EOR. EOR is inquiry on results. It means I'm not happy with my IELTS result. So please reconsider. And by the way, whenever you apply for EOR, senior most examiner of Cambridge re-evaluates your writing and speaking. Whether you apply EOR on one module or all 4 modules, the amount or the fee, EOR fee is same. That is why I advise you all to apply EOR on all 4 modules. But let me tell you, EOR will never help you with listening module and reading module. It's not for listening and reading, these 2 modules. Anyways, this guy was lucky that after applying EOR, because EOR result is announced within 21 days, like from 3 days to 21 days, and he got the result outcome of EOR. His bench score improved from 6 to 6.5 in writing module. And when your bench score changes, you will get your EOR fee back. EOR fee is around 70% IELTS test fee. Okay, so he got his money back, his bench score improved by half. This is quite good. So guys, if you are ever dissatisfied with your writing and speaking results and you strongly believe that you deserve better bench score, then you can use this option. I have made a message where there are 11 points to consider before you go for EOR. Just text me EOR on my WhatsApp and I will share that with you. All the best guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.